could color some eggs and dye them, and then we could hide them. Yeah.
Oh, look at
Would you
her.
like to buy some eggs? And you can eat them.
Do you want to do Easter?
Want to play Easter?
Do you want to be an Easter puppy? An Easter pug?
You're almost an Easter pug. Yeah. You're almost an Easter pug. Yeah.
Oh,
We could hide you some eggs. And we could let you hunt them. Yeah. I bet you and Honda would love to hunt the eggs.
look at you. You're so cute.
Wicked, don't be rude.
Wicked.
You wanted to cuddle. You wanted to cuddle a little bit.
Oh,
You wanted to cuddle.
look at her.
You ready to get down and play?
Oh.
Yeah, you ready to get down and play now. Yes, you ready to get down and play.
Why are you the cutest thing ever?
Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Puppy teeth. Ouch! Ouch.
I'm sorry.
You saying you're sorry when you nearly chewed my finger off. You need some toys. Where's your toys? Where's your chicken bone? Where's your toy chicken? Where's your toy chicken? You want your toy chicken? You want your toy chicken?